Hi, I'm Evelyn from the internet, and I'm here to talk to you about business. I'm sure a lot of things just popped into your head. Suits, meetings, skyscrapers, handshakes, big cities, money, graphs, slide decks, or the immediate, when you think of business. But we use business skills all the time. Maybe you're great at planning parties, or you're always the peacemaker when your roommates argue about dishes. Or you're basically a pro at making YouTube videos that say something meaningful and make people laugh. Even though that just sounds like living your life, all those skills can translate to the workplace. It's easier than you might think. Plus, kind of important. Gotta pay those bills. So for the next 17 weeks, I'm gonna be your host for the first half of Crash Course Business, which is sponsored by Google. We're doing business too, you guys. We're gonna talk about soft skills and help you use what you've already got to stand out and make moves in the business world. Soft skills is kind of a catch-all term for buzzwords like communication, teamwork, negotiations, and conflict resolution. We'll cover big picture ideas like leadership, how to have a tough professional conversation, and how to take care of yourself, because everyone's talking about burnout these days, and you can be good at business and set boundaries. And we'll also give you plenty of concrete tips about resume writing, interviewing, and how to turn your lofty dreams into achievable goals. We're here to help you hone your day-to-day business skills, look for a job, get along with your coworkers, and really take your career to the next level. Even if that next level is just getting started. But don't worry, we're not going to turn you into a corporate robot. Companies will want to hire you, not just some weird carbon copy of what someone thinks an employee should look and act like. We'll kick off the course with an episode about trust, because it's the key to working with people and building your reputation as both an employee and as a manager. I'm Evelyn from the internet, and this is Crash Course Business Soft Skills, and I'll see you next week.